welcome back to our channel. We're out sailing at the moment, having a bit of a summer vacation, so I'm taking Amelia out to show her a little bit about Denmark. And we're in this beautiful boat right here. It's a Lufa made in Denmark, 37 foot. Today we're going to go out on a little bit of a sled ride, as I call it, all the way up to some of the islands that's in the eastern side of Denmark, on Jutland actually. And I think it's going to be an interesting day, so I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned, have a look at it. And we'll probably see a lot of waves out there, maybe some seals and some other wildlife, but let's see what it brings today. So once again, welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed. While you are getting ready here, you might as well hit the like, subscribe button, and then we'll come back with some more videos as soon as we can. So welcome back. So here we are, starting to plan our trip today. Amelia's just getting her coffee, morning coffee, enjoying the sunshine a little bit before we have to head out over through this little harbor over there. Anyway, we are actually going to this little island, which is on the eastern side of Jutland in Denmark. And we're gonna come up this way. As those of you who knows the area here, it is actually a very, very shallow watered area with a lot of seals and stuff, so we could have a little bit of a challenge when we come in, but it's a beautiful area, so we'll keep you posted, and we'll make some nice footage on the way out there. So enjoy it, and let's get started.
Wish me luck.
We got a new skipper today. Wave to the camera. You're doing it. This is three inside. It looks like the Golden Gate, but it's not.
This is not for me.
We're just sitting here enjoying ourselves, and we're just flying over the water. And we put Egon to steer. He's doing a great job. Autopilot on, and here we go. Well guys, we're now coming up to Endelave, and as you can see, me just taking a little bit of photos here as well. Here's the approach into the harbor basically. There's a lot of people in there actually, you can see that as well. And we just need to go ahead and get into the harbor and see how things are working. That's the swim area over there for those who are actually fresh in the morning. Looks cool. I might try. Welcome to Endelave. So here we are, all set. That looks nice. Everybody's hungry. After 3 hours of wait, finally some really nice food. Well, we're gonna go out on a small bicycle trip with Endelave. Here's Amelia coming, and everybody's having a lot of fun. There'll be some people over there who's gonna sing later on today, so it's gonna be really nice. Kids are having a joyful time down there on 2 flotation devices that's connected on that dry line, and I'm not sure they're gonna remain dry for very long.
This is a Tesla, you know that.
Yeah, I know. Watching the helicopter coming in for landing to pick up a patient going to the nearest hospital. We're doing a quick pit stop here because we found a place where they do a lot with seaweed. So we're gonna have a beer with, it's actually brewed on seaweed. So why not try that when we get home? Maybe. Let's see how it is. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, we tried the seaweed beer and it is good, but only one, and that's enough. But anyway, we're gonna go back now and start the bicycles up, and off we are.
Alle har redningsvest på, undtagen ham, der styrer. Nå.
Buongiorno. Salute. Salute il falcnute. Che passa?
Jeg hader kød, der er sådan, det er sådan noget halvstagt. Det skal første gang i bunden. Så. I told them, make a trip here, drive to the ferry boat, go over here, take your tents, find some place to camp.
Hola.
You know? Her kan det trods alt ikke være.
Jeg kan ikke købe noget.
Nej.
Lunchtime. What are we having, darling?
Everything.
Everything. Like mackerel and tomato sauce and some avocados and tomatoes, sausages, whatever, and a cold beer.
Must.
Finally got some sunlight and actually sunshine. Look, beautiful. Having a little bit of a blast. Wind kind of, you know, calmed down a little bit, so we're waiting for it to pick up a little bit again. We got about an hour to go and then we're there. Welcome to Tunø. Looks really nice. So how was the ride, darling?
It was really good this time, yes.
Was it better?
Yes.
I
It's
see the
getting
flowers are
better.
still standing there.
I know. It's getting better.
It's been Tunø festival over here, so there's a lot of people on the island. This is the only island that has no cars in Denmark. No cars at all. Yeah. It's a beautiful church, huh? And a lighthouse. So the saying goes that the priest is actually in bed with the lighthouse wife. And this is the reason. It's the same person. Let's go and have a look at it. So we were taken into the church here in Tunø. It's actually quite nice. It's a special kind of church. It's also, as you can see outside, a combination of a lighthouse as well. And here are all the priests since 1536, so that's some years back. Got a little bit of antlers on the wall. It's kind of interesting. And here we are walking in. The old organ is right here. Looks actually quite interesting. And you got ships, of course, hanging in the underneath the roof. And this is how it looks like. It's actually pretty nice. Really neat. Small one, but very, very solid built.
På dem har man inte fullt
fuldt flaske vin med til den pris.
This is stone.
Nice. Let's go and see the blacksmith from back in the days. Look at this. It looks like you're walking into the 1700, I guess. Maybe 18, I'm not sure. But here you go. An old drill. Looks really cool. Kind of beaten up with, here you go. A swing up there as well. This is so cool. It's actually grinder there. Look at that. Old anvil. There's one more here on this side right there. Look at this hammer, it's been in the war. It's definitely worn out. It's old. This one here has definitely been in the war too. And look at this hammer. Unbelievable. And then here is the blower. See, when I pull it here, it goes up there and it blows straight air into the fire over there. It still works. It's kind of impressive. All the tools. Well, that's how it looks like. Container full of people. Someone didn't make it.
like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing